I'm real nervous, but I'm also really excited because today we're going to be setting up this bad boy right here, this presentation easel. But before we do so, hey, what's up? My name is Brianna and I've been making videos online since 2018, but now I'm dedicated to helping you thrive as a content creator. The technical term for this thing is a presentation easel or easel, but I like to call it a whiteboard stand, and basically this is just what it looks like or what it's used for. So if you're a creative who does artwork, office presentations, or content that's just very educational, this is going to be the perfect unboxing put together video for you. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. I have a very strong passion for not wearing my glasses in YouTube videos or any type of videos, but I'm going to be reading and, unboxing and instructions and all that, so I kind of have to wear them, so bear with me. The only thing that I have ever put together on my own is like a ring light, and this is a little bit of a bigger contraption, so I'm really hoping that it's not going to be too much that I'm going to have to put together. Ooh, as you can see, she's kind of long. What else do we got in here? I have this. I'm guessing this is the board, or yeah, the flat board that the whiteboard is going to go against. And anything else in there? No, that's it. Okay, only 2 pieces in the box. This looks fairly self-explanatory, but we'll see. There's no instructions in the box. Literally the only instruction that I have right here is on the cardboard that it came in. So right here it pretty much says that this is adjustable, and again, this is where the whiteboard is going to go on top of. There's going to be like a red button to clip it on or clip it off depending on what you're really looking for, and then this last one just says how adjustable the legs are. So let's figure this out. Okay, so I went ahead and I elevated the legs so it is a bit taller, almost as tall as me now, and it can actually go up probably like 4 more feet, but just so I could show y'all how I put this on. So this is technically the back of it, and this little hole right here is going to go right inside behind the red button. It's going to go like that, and make sure that it's locked in secure. I'm just going to pull down that red tab, and boom, she's all the way on. I'm actually going to turn it around so I can show you how it opens up. I'm just going to lift it. Over here, I have 2 little pins that can go either way. It's actually going to help hold up the whiteboard. Now that my easel is all set up, we're going to try and connect my whiteboard. My whiteboard is low-key small, I feel, for like this model, but we'll see how or if it connects. Now for the moment of truth. There's like 2 little kind of hooks at the bottom that I can move up. I can move both of these up or down, and basically what they're going to do is they're going to help hold up the whiteboard, and then these 2 hooks are actually going to hook into the back of the whiteboard, and that ultimately is how it's going to hang. And then these 2 kind of just like lift them up if needed. So I'm going to actually push these up a little bit because I know how my whiteboard is, and right now it's actually upside down. So these are the 2 hooks which I usually hang on the wall. So typically it would go this way, but I'm going to do it this way just because I don't want to break these hooks, because if I do, then I will never be able to hook it on the wall ever again. So I'm going to space these out a little bit too, just because I want it centered, but we should see. And then boom, just like that, they both hang. And again, I'm going to go ahead and move that up. And I think, again, my whiteboard is a little bit smaller for this model, so I don't know how well these hooks would actually hold for it, but boom. And obviously it's not centered, but you get the point. You get the point. Okay, now she is centered. So this is what it looks like centered, and this is so cute. Not even gonna lie, I feel like I could conquer a business meeting with this, or even like go live as a content creator and kind of use this whiteboard to demonstrate my thoughts and articulate how I'm feeling, what I'm thinking, what I want my audience to get down, or again, even just like a simple presentation. The only thing about this presentation easel that I still kind of have to figure out, and that is really might bother me a little bit, is the leg. So right now it is not elevated at all, or it's not extended at all. The legs aren't, at least. So they're all the way down, which is why I'm on the ground and it is a little bit lower. But yeah, I'll have to figure out how I actually get them to stay up. They just seem a little bit flimsy and I don't want it to fall and break. But aside from that, this is amazing. And this can extend up to 64 inches high, and that's what I love about it. I just have to figure out how to get it to stay, because I don't know how to get the legs to stay. Like, they're very flimsy like, and every time I extend them, it's like they go down. So I don't know how to like lock them in so they stay how and where I want them to be, you know? Aside from that though, I definitely feel like this is a win. Like, I'm about to, oh, the amount of presentations and the amount of content that I'm really about to start making with this easel combined with my whiteboard is about to be crazy. It's about to be crazy. Like, you have no idea. I'm so freaking excited. So I did go ahead and I linked this exact easel, which is from Office Depot. So it's basically their website. And I want to say this one, ooh, it's like $100 and something. I want to say $119, but don't quote me on that. Just go check the link, which I of course linked down in the description box. And I also linked this whiteboard. So it's not this exact whiteboard. You can go into Walmart, which is where I got the whiteboard from. You can go to Walmart and you can buy this straight out of the store. It was like super cheap. I don't remember how much this whiteboard was, but it was cheap. But I also did go ahead and link a Walmart whiteboard, which I believe if you buy it online and you have it shipped to you, the whiteboard alone is, I want to say, probably between $10 and $12. But either way, it is a steal. A total, like if you were to buy both of these together online or even like in store and be like, hey, do you have this? This is what I need. I feel like you would probably end up spending $115 with both of these combined. If this is a review that you really enjoyed, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or another content creator who might be interested in buying or checking out something like this for their content. Also, for my content creators out there, if you enjoyed today's video and you found some kind of value within it, make sure to tune back in next week, new video. But also I have an offer, very first offer for all my content creators that you are not going to want to miss. More specifically, if you are a beginner content creator and you're having trouble just coming up with content ideas on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, no matter what platform it is, I have the solution for you, and I'm very excited to present it to you, as well as add some more value to your life and your content creation journey and just as a creative overall. So make sure to check back in next week. Oh, and before I go, I stand corrected. So I just looked at my video notes and it actually says that a similar easel that I went ahead and again linked down below is actually $71, not $119 or 100 some. I don't know where I got 100 from, but my notes say that online the link that I put in the video notes is $71 for the easel and about $12 for the Walmart dry erase whiteboard. So again, both of those links will be down below, and altogether that would be like $100, maybe $115 with shipping added onto that. So just saying, go ahead and cop it while you can, because y'all know these prices is crazy for real. Aside from that, keep creating, stay humble, and I will catch you in the next YouTube video. Mwah. Bye.